When it comes to managing money and securing your financial future, there are countless strategies and options out there. But one that's recently been getting a lot of attention is infinite banking. It's a concept that has sparked both excitement and skepticism. Is infinite banking just another financial gimmick? Or is it a legitimate strategy that can help women just like you build wealth, protect your family's future, and take control of your money? Today, we're diving deep into this topic, breaking it down so that you can make an informed decision about whether infinite banking is the right fit for your financial goals. What is infinite banking? First, let's get clear on what infinite banking actually is. At its core, infinite banking is a strategy that involves using a specially designed whole life insurance policy to create a personal banking system. This system allows you to borrow from yourself instead of relying on traditional banks or lenders. Sounds interesting, right? Here's how it works in a nutshell. You buy a whole life insurance policy with a cash value component. Over time, the policy grows, and you can access the cash value as a loan. You borrow from the policy when you need money and pay yourself back with interest. The idea is simple. Instead of paying interest to banks or credit card companies, you pay interest to yourself. This can help you build wealth over time while maintaining access to cash when you need it. But let's get deeper into the pros and cons to see if this is a strategy that actually works. The pros of infinite banking. Let's start by looking at the potential benefits of infinite banking. 1. Financial control. With infinite banking, you have full control over your money. Traditional banks and financial institutions have the power to decide when and how you can access your funds. But with this strategy, you're in the driver's seat. As a woman, this control is especially empowering. You can borrow from your policy for major life expenses like buying a home, paying for college tuition, or even starting your own business without asking for approval from anyone else. 2. Tax benefits. Whole life insurance policies, like the ones used for infinite banking, have tax advantages. The cash value grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't have to pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw it. And when you borrow from your policy, the loan is not taxed either. This is a significant benefit, especially as you build your wealth and reach higher income brackets. Infinite banking strategy review, link below. 3. Safety and stability. Unlike other investment options, such as stocks or real estate, the cash value in your whole life insurance policy is protected from market volatility. This is especially important for women who often face greater financial challenges due to career breaks, pay gaps, and longer life expectancy. Having a stable and reliable financial system that you control can provide peace of mind and security for the future. The cons of infinite banking. While infinite banking has its benefits, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks too. No financial strategy is perfect, and there are always risks involved. 1. High initial costs. One of the main criticisms of infinite banking is the initial cost of setting up a whole life insurance policy. The premiums can be expensive, especially in the first few years, when most of your payments are going towards insurance costs rather than building cash value. This means it may take several years before you start seeing significant growth in your policy. If you're on a tight budget or don't have a long-term outlook, this could be a barrier to entry. 2. Slow growth in the early years. In the beginning, the cash value of your policy doesn't grow as quickly as other investments might. You're essentially paying for the insurance coverage first, which can delay your ability to access large amounts of cash. So if you're looking for quick returns or need immediate access to funds, infinite banking may not be the best option. 3. Complexity and maintenance. Infinite banking is not a one-and-done solution. It requires regular management and understanding of the policy terms. The strategy isn't a simple savings account that you can just forget about. You'll need to carefully track the loans you take from the policy, how much you've paid back, and ensure that your policy stays in force. This can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to personal finance or already managing multiple responsibilities. Is infinite banking right for you? Now, let's get to the real question. Is infinite banking the right fit for your financial situation? Here's the thing. Infinite banking is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a long-term strategy that requires a clear understanding of your goals and cash flow. For women, especially those in their 20s and 30s, infinite banking can be an excellent tool for building long-term wealth and creating financial independence. But it's not the right fit for everyone. If you're someone who is just starting out in your financial journey and looking for something that gives quick returns or low-risk investments, you might want to explore other options like retirement accounts or index funds. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. The importance of financial education for women. Financial education is vital, and it's something that is often overlooked. As women, we face unique challenges when it comes to money. Whether it's wage gaps, career breaks, or longer life expectancy, we need financial strategies that can help us overcome these hurdles and build a secure future for ourselves and our families. Infinite banking can be a game changer in that regard. It gives you the tools to take control of your financial life and make decisions that are in your best interest. But as with any financial strategy, it's important to educate yourself and understand how it fits into your bigger picture. That's why it's essential to do your own research and consult with experts who can help guide you along the way. If this message made you think differently about money, banks, or protecting your family's future, the next step is not a sales call. Infinite banking is a long-term strategy, not a product, and it's not right for everyone. To help determine whether this approach fits someone's goals, cash flow, and expectations, we've created a short Infinite Banking Strategy Review. Start with the strategy review linked below. If it appears to be a potential fit, you'll be invited to schedule a brief, educational conversation. No pressure, no obligation, just clarity. Start with the strategy review linked below.